it's snowing like crazy outside, which is not normal for Oklahoma, so I'm planning on taking my wife this evening to do a very impromptu photo shoot, and have been scrambling all day trying to assemble what I think is a decent costume or outfit to shoot. So, been scrambling all day trying to get a costume put together or something worth shooting other than just her pretty face, because, I mean, that would be great. But, you know, I want to go over the top like always and dress her up all nice. So, let's talk about what I've got going real quick. First off, you guys know this outfit so far. If you've watched any of my videos, you know last year I made this tunic out of a painter's drop cloth, and this leather corset was hand sewn and all that stuff. I've also got the Viking shield that I made and the bearded axe that we made also. New additions to that, I've got some burlap strips that I have cut and wrapped the top in Gorilla Tape just to hold it together. Gonna string those together and make some sort of makeshift skirt. I found some gross gray leggings at the local Goodwill, and I sprayed those with a spray-on fabric paint. Not the specific can, but this type. It's this Tulip Color Shot. Quick drying, looks pretty okay, doesn't need to be perfect, just kind of a grungy brown. But we're gonna use those pants, put a burlap skirt thing over it. And then I've got this chainmail that I wove earlier this year as well, and I've strung it with some jute cord that we're just going to tie it around her waist to make sort of another layer. And then while I was at Goodwill, I also found this blanket that I thought would look really cool as maybe a cloak. And then we've got a couple of pairs of boots, some more Goodwill boots that have some fur on them. I don't know if they'll work out or not because I don't know if they're going to fit her. And I don't know if they'll even... Well, I don't know if they'll work or not. But we know for sure that she's got at least one pair of boots in there that she can wear. And I've got some furs that we're going to use some more jute and some safety pins and things like that to attach to her. Hopefully this pans out pretty well, but I'll bring you guys along for some behind the scenes look at what we do and what's going on. And then I'll show you a couple of the pictures at the end of the video. And then you can always check them out on my Instagram or Facebook. Links in the description. So before we get started, I want to take a moment to pause to say thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of this channel. If you're not a part of the channel, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that button, hit the notification bell icon, give me a thumbs up on the video if you find this even remotely enjoyable. And, you know, share it with your friends because maybe they'll find it enjoyable too. I'm trying to grow, trying to get out there more and bring you guys more content. And the more of you guys that watch the video, comment on the video, and share the video, the more inspired I am to keep going and keep making them and bringing this fun stuff to you guys. So thank you very much. Here we go.